Northair Compact Chest Freezer 3.5 cubic feet freestanding top door freezers 6.8 to -4 with two removable basket 7 temperature setting defrost water drain power saving. 3.5 CU.FT Capacity 3.5 CU.FT Compact Freezer Chest is big enough to hold an amount of food. Product dimension 21.18, 21.77, 30.94 inch, good for limited spaces, it's light and easy to move. A bottom drain makes defrosting easy. It will be shipped from California or North Carolina. Adjustable temperature adjustable thermostat is located on the exterior. Level 0 turn off, Level 1 cold, Level 7 coldest. Great for storing frozen food, ice cream, ice. Power on light and run light indicate proper functioning of the unit. Balanced hinge-style door opening and closing door without noise. It can remains open from 45 to 90-degree angles, provides hands-free use for the ultimate convenience. Northair has engineered a whisper-quiet compressor that is virtually undetectable when it works. Noise 38 decibels. Environment-friendly and energy-saving embossed aluminum liner, environmental protection material, corrosion resistance. Fast refrigeration of quality compressor, energy consumption of 0.45 kWh 24H pure copper wire, and high-quality compressor extend the life of this chest freezer. Hanging wire storage basket keeps smaller items readily available and sliding easily, can quickly see items underneath. Please contact us if you have any problems with your purchase. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.